coordinators. On behalf of IST, I thank you all for taking out your time from busy schedule and judging this event. Today, we all are gathered here for the first event of ISTE of this academic year, which is Clash of Views, a debate competition where we will see the views of competitors on the topic assigned to them. Debate, a vital part and functional of democracy. It has been a part of Indian culture since ancient history. It involves starting your main arguments and explaining the general gist of your case. Now I request Bhakti, our IST member, to give a brief about the competition rules.
Good afternoon. Here are the time composition for the debate competition. So 8 minutes will be given for each debate containing 2 teams each, which will be having 2 minutes for preparation after you guys will be given your topic. The next 4 minutes will be for main statement, in which 2 minutes for each team will be assigned, and the last 2 minutes will be for Q&A. So I hope you all will coordinate good.
Good afternoon everyone. The criteria for today's event on which the teams will be examined are as follows. Criteria number 1, organization and clarity. Main arguments and responses are outlined in clear and orderly way. Criteria number 2, use of arguments and rebuttal. Reasons are given to support the resolution and ability to defend itself against attack. Criteria number 3, presentation style. Tone of voice, clarity of expression, precision of arguments all contribute to keeping audience attention and persuading them of the team's case. Criteria number 4, use of references, figures and facts. Examples and facts are given to support reasons with references. Thank you.
Now we will start our debate by group 2 and group 4. That is Shubham Manglekar and group and Parimal Awad and group.
Let's begin. I will give you one sheet on which you are going to be speaking on. Topic for your conversation is Karan Johar, good or bad for Bollywood health? I am assigning you head, you will be assigning tail. If head is coming, it is for the movement. If tail is coming, it is against the movement. So you are all knowing that you are against the movement.
Definitely, Karan Johar is one of the biggest director of Bollywood industry, and he is giving many films over the years, and he has given many hits to the Bollywood. So it has also helped in the economics of the country.
Hello. Yes, since you already spoken about he's the biggest director, he also has his biggest production house. But since he has very biggest production house, but rather than focusing on Bollywood movies, he's means transferring his production house to the Tollywood film industries. So Bollywood is not getting that amount of films like it was there in the previous years.
I also have a point that Karan Johar is someone. He is a director that is promoting nepotism. It was the most trending topic currently because I think he was also one who was involved in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, because the major reason for Sushant Singh was depression, and I think due to depression he took all those drugs and he did suicide. I think that's also the biggest reason.
Yes, the reason behind the Karan Johar is not the best actor in the Bollywood actors or he is the demotivator of the Bollywood. Is that the reason behind? The most reason behind is that you may have seen the show of the KL Rahul and the Hardik Pandya, how the two biggest cricketers of the Indian cricket team was demolished by the Karan Johar. So that is the show which is not really upgrading the Indian stars. Instead of that, he is just making them some kind of bullshit things and drowning them away from that.
So first, our friend said that he has now turned into Tollywood. Means you agree that he has given many hit films to Bollywood. You agree with our point, correct? Yes. He is saying yes. He is saying yes. He agrees. So, then you said that he went to nepotism. He just cast the star kids. So if you have money, then you have the right that whom to take and whom to not. It's completely your right that.
And the biggest point is these star kids have background knowledge that how industry works and how acting is done. So that's why it is a good option to choose them. That is also one point. And Karan Johar has given us the very beautiful Bollywood movies in early 2000s like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, which has means biggest impact on Bollywood. So that is also one to consider.
But I think, yeah, of course, in 2000 maybe he gave us a good movie. But I don't agree with you that if you have money, you should give the film to anyone. It doesn't matter because I think that the talent in India is really becoming great and great. So someone is talented, then he should be given a chance. But if Ananya Pandey comes and if you give her a chance, instead of having many other the aim of talent. We are some talented people, we need them to be in Bollywood.
Friend, I want to mention one point. As you are saying that he is being a talent, give me one example that other than nepotism he is using it. If he have brought the Sushant Singh Rajput at the front end, no. He have brought any other the star cast who is having not the Bollywood background, no. I want to mention one point over here. You are saying you have mentioned 2-3 films over here. Is that the Karan Johar has made the film for the students like us, which is other than romance, which will be of the scientific area, which will be of the historical area?
You are saying that he is only taking star kids. Then what about Shah Rukh Khan? He don't have any background. He don't have any background. So he has given many films to Bollywood. Siddharth Malhotra. What about them then? Then if you are saying that they are only supporting nepotism, then how these star cats are not there?
Of course, he gave Shah Rukh Khan, I know. Yeah, just a minute. That doesn't matter. The thing is, you gave Shah Rukh Khan, you gave Salman Khan. Let's consider the last 5 films of Salman Khan. Tell me what were the last hits of Salman Khan. Let Salman Khan be. And everybody has a face. But I think Karan Johar is someone who is almost promoting nepotism. Why to bring Ananya Pandey in this? Why to bring, if you have some talented people in it, why you are telling about Siddharth Malhotra? We had more talented people who could be the best suited for the role. He is very poor at having romantic scenes, but still he was a part of Student of the Year. How do you think that you are telling that talent is not coming? I am telling you that talent is something which you should promote, not money. Malhotra, for example,
The time for input is over. Now we will take final statement from each of us.
As we know now, Bollywood is the biggest industry in the world, just not in India, and producing maximum number of films per month. And this is because Karan Johar has created some films, as we had talked earlier, which bring Bollywood up. And this is currently what is going on in Bollywood is not that important, but how Karan Johar has bring the Bollywood up. That is, we have to think, because if that was not happened, then Bollywood was not here. That's why I think Karan Johar is good for Bollywood.
Only one statement can be given in main argument and final statement.
Yes, he already mentioned in the preface that he has already given the so many films, but it's been in history. It's time to make the future well. No, so I think Karan Johar should more focus on Bollywood movies. That should be his motive, since he has been biggest director. We also accept that, but he should more focus on the Bollywood. Thank you.
Thank you. Now you can go ahead.